I think in order to save time, I think I want to speak through my broken English. Okay. How many minutes? Perhaps I think 5 minutes. I really enjoyed all these speeches by the different speakers. Very, very interesting. I very much appreciate that's my own case. Now, I just want to make a few points. Number one, I think Shankaracharya, I think, or someone you mentioned, economy important, money important, but equally the spirituality is very, very important. That we must, we must know that. And the reason is simple. We have this physical and mind. For comfort, for physical, money can provide physical health, physical sort of comfort. But the mental comfort, from money, you can't get sort of mental comfort. Of course, those people who have plenty of money, they have certain kind of feeling, oh, I'm rich. But that kind of mental sort of satisfaction or mental comfort is actually illusion. Reason, I met number of, I think very rich, people, I think billionaire, very rich, but as a person, very unhappy person. So that clearly shows inner peace you cannot buy money. If we go to supermarket and shouting, I want to buy peace of mind, people may laugh. So peace of mind must develop within ourselves. And peace of mind cannot be produced by injection, by surgery. So peace of mind must develop within ourselves. So here, for mental comfort, long-lasting mental comfort, spirituality is very, very relevant, very necessary. When I say spirituality, not necessarily with religious belief. As I mentioned yesterday, the secular ethics, it's something universal, not necessarily it's related with religion. I think secular ethics, even animal appreciate. Animal, no faith, no religion. But even they appreciate kindness, sense of concern, or compassion. So these are universal. So that's, I think, very, very important. So I want to I want to share with you, we paying only money matter, economy matter, it is, I think, not complete. Our life, happy life, something very sort of personal, I don't know the word, a complex one. So we have to take care about our body, and equally, even more important, we have to take care about our emotions, our mental functions. That's very important. This is one thing. The second, I think mainly for physical comfort. Now the ecology is very important. In many parts of the world are really facing scarcity of water. In Africa or in many places. So therefore, you see, taking care about ecology is very, very essential. this small planet is the only our home. Moons looks in night, in dark moon. It looks beautiful. I think through centuries, people who are making poem of these things, usually refer moon something very beautiful. But if we really try to go there, settle, horrible. No possibility to live. So only this small planet, this is our only home. We have to take care.